Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix this device cannot start code 10 error with Wi-Fi and other drivers, right? So I will show you what helped me to fix this issue. First of all, what you need to do here is to turn off your PC completely, and then you need to unplug your power cable, and if peripherals is plugged as well, like controllers, racing wheels, VRs or something like that, unplug it as well. Just leave it with your mouse and the keyboard and monitor, and unplug power cable as well. And then when your power cable is unplugged, press power button for at least 30 seconds, right? And then you just need to, after you press for 30 seconds, plug back power cable, run the computer, and the issue should be solved. Another thing that you can do here is to press Windows and Aki or simply write run. And then here you need to write msdt.exe -id device diagnostics, right? I will leave this command in the description below. And then you just need to press OK. Then you should open this window here, press next, and wait until your computer will detect some hardware problems if there is some on your computer. And then you just need to select the problem that is basically occurred for you, and then let your computer to fix that problem here. And after that, you just need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, open up CMD, make sure to open as admin. And here you need to put one command, sfc /scan now. And then you need to wait until scanning process is done. As you can see here, if some files is corrupted, they will be fixed. And after the scanning process is done, all you need to do here is to restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.